It is viewers like you that make videos like this possible. Please support MickeyMousePark.com. Just as a Swiss Family Treehouse was based on a Disney movie that in turn had originated from a classic book, so too was its replacement, Tarzan's Treehouse, inspired by Disney's cinematic retelling of the popular story. In this case, the movie was Tarzan and the book was Edgar Rice Burroughs' 1912 adventure novel Tarzan of the Apes. The Swiss Family Treehouse and Tarzan's Treehouse debuted under very different circumstances. When the original Treehouse opened in 1962, Disney's Swiss Family Robinson movie had already been a huge box office sensation 2 years earlier. In contrast, when Tarzan's Treehouse opened on June 19, 1999, Disney's animated Tarzan had been in theaters for exactly 1 day. As the attraction was being planned and built in early 1999, nobody really knew if the movie would be a success. Fortunately for Disneyland and the movie studio, the film and the new Treehouse were both instant hits. Since the Tarzan and Robinson story locations are an ocean apart, and since each plot has its own distinct characters, Tarzan's Treehouse is a radical reimagining of the 37-year-old Swiss family lodgings. Serving as a fun new foyer, a thin two-story tree now stands in the Adventureland walkway with a rickety suspension bridge leading guests to the main tree. This immense artificial structure, already 70 feet tall and 80 feet wide and 150 tons heavy, was modified to stand a little taller and broader. Controls for the water feature.